Ever tried to hold two pieces of wood at a perfect 90-degree angle? Feels like you need three hands, right? Here's a quick tip. Boom, corner clamps. Just clip them on, align them, and you're ready to glue or screw. This is so much easier than trying to hold it all by hand. And the added bonus is you get perfect joinery every single time. Look at that strong joint. Look at that sharp corner. No helper needed. So if you're working on a project that requires perfect corners, check out the corner clamp. It's available in different sizes to fit your needs, and it's just one of the many tools that HandyBurst has to offer. So subscribe HandyBurst for more tools that make life easier.